time that you need to do. 2 minutes ago. Let's see.
I don't say anything.
Right on my breast. Lick it off. Lick it off. You see it? Guess who's back again? Candy's back.
Hey,
With me.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since I made a video. A long time, I know that. But on my Instagram, I asked a lot of people to, you know, ask me questions, whatever they want me to like answer on my YouTube channel. And you guys send me a lot of questions, some crazy questions. Coronavirus. So she's gonna ask me the questions. She has all the questions, and then I'm gonna answer them. Yeah.
While we eat
this food, man.
Cracky
and some cloud coffee. We made the cloud coffee with pig milk instead. If you know pig milk, say hi. Just, you know what's up. If you know what pig milk is, you know what's up. Alright, let's make this video.
My crawfish. So
I'm not a big fan of crawfish, but
I love crawfish. Kind of just like a big ass shrimp. Basically.
It looks weird.
It looks weird, but the meat is sweet though. So the first question is, how long did it take your mom to come around when you told her you were?
I want to say 3 years or 4 years.
Oh my god, 3 years.
It's been 5 years now since I came out. About 3.5 or so. She wasn't like, she didn't say, oh, you know, I don't want you to be my child anymore, but she had to get used to it. And I know she didn't get used to it. She used to say, oh, I'm still praying for you and stuff, you know. But
so
yeah,
she's not fully used to it.
Yeah.
Wow. I thought she'd be fully used to it by now.
I mean, but I think now she just doesn't want to like talk about it. I think she still feels weird about it, but she doesn't say nothing. Like, she won't say, oh, if I say, oh, this is my girlfriend, she won't say, oh, like, you're going to hell or something like that, you know.
I know that's right.
She just be like, okay. But yeah.
By the way, guys, if you eat crawfish, all the juice is always in the head.
You really need to tell him that.
Yes. Okay, the next question is, how were you able to handle the pressure of coming out? The hateful words, specifically.
Honestly, the friends that I'm surrounded by, if you guys are watching this, you're the real MVP. And she too.
I'm the real MVP.
Like the friends I'm surrounded by, they're like the best people ever. Like, they were there for me. And when I really needed to like vent and talk, just to say something, they were there. And they would like say things to encourage me, and you know, whatever they were doing and telling me overweighed the bad things I was hearing from other people.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah, so like I wouldn't think about the bad things if I have people that are telling me good things every time. And then my twin sister, I don't say it all the time, but she's awesome. I just want to put that out there.
I know that's right.
But yeah, you know, when you surround yourself with people that love you unconditionally and support you regardless, you will be fine in life. And with God, make sure God is included, and then you'll be good.
Are you getting emotional?
I am emotional.
Oh. Don't cry, my Kenny.
That's why I have this saying that I say all the time, God got me. That saying, that's it. That's all you need to know. God got me every time.
This is interesting. What is your relationship status, and are you a pleaser? I don't know what that means. There's different ways it could go. Please me, baby.
I don't know what that is.
I don't know what aspect that means.
But I'll just answer the other one. My relationship status right now.
It's some good sequel boy.
It's between
me and God. Me, her, and God. Me, her twin sister, and God. We'll come back to that question.
We'll come back
to that question.
There's a lot of that question, isn't
yes.
it? But I don't know what you mean by pleaser though.
I don't know. I don't know what aspect.
Yeah.
Or what you mean by
Yeah.
pleaser. Let's ask Siri.
Hey Siri, what does it mean? What does it mean to be a pleaser? No, I didn't say. Racist ass. What does it mean?
This question is specifically from me. When are you gonna stop being abusive?
I'm not abusive.
You are very abusive. You are abusive friends. She's very abusive.
I'm not. If you
I'm
want
not
me,
gonna get my ass whooped after this video.
I'm not gonna be the one to do it. What's gonna do it is your buddy. Cut off my nail.
That is so true. African parents.
But yeah, I'm not abusive, guys. If you know me, you know I'm the nicest person ever. I'm not supposed to be eating this with my braces, but this is my favorite part of eating this.
No, you're not supposed to. Next question is, are you single?
I'm not single.
You're not?
I'm not single and I'm single.
So what are you?
I'm seeing somebody. I'll put it that way. I'm seeing somebody. But I'm not in a relationship, if that makes sense.
Right. So she's basically talking to someone right now,
Right,
but she's not in a relationship.
Yeah.
How's that going?
It's going good. The person is really nice and awesome. It's going good. I can't complain.
True. Next question is, are you going to True. The next question is, are you going to visit back home when life returns to normal?
Oh yeah, I am. I am going to visit back home. I've not been home for 9 years now.
Wow.
9 years. So I'm definitely going back home. I miss my nieces and nephews.
Oh.
I don't really miss my siblings, but I miss my nieces and nephews, if that makes sense.
I know that's right.
I miss my mom too. A lot actually.
Oh.
But yeah, I'm going back home.
Wow, this is a very broad question. What qualities and physical aspects are important to you to be your wife? For someone to be your wife?
Qualities and physical aspects. I'll start with physical aspect. I'm not the kind of person to look at what someone looks like to date them. As long as they have good intentions for me, and as long as they love me. But if I'm to really like say that, you know, physical aspect, I'm a book person.
I can't count how many times I've heard this.
I'm a book person. You know, I mean, come on now.
We can't be like Auntie see this breast though.
I mean, no, yeah, it cannot be like that. It has to be moderate. You know, but I'm a book person.
And natural.
And natural. And honestly, I feel like boobs surpasses everything.
I know that's right.
And you're like, you don't need to be like, look, I don't know how to explain it. I don't really think I'm a picky person when it comes to like dating. Like, I'm not physically, I'm not like a picky person. But boob,
I show you.
And then what? Is that qualities?
Qualities.
Qualities in a wife, like, I want my wife to be somebody that I could tell anything and everything to. Someone that loves me unconditionally regardless of what is going on. Genuinely, like nowadays we don't have genuine love, honestly. Like our generation is kind of, I want my wife to love me and I want to love her back. Like, I feel like love surpasses everything. Even if you're going through something, like as long as you love each other and you keep fighting together, you'll be good.
Yep.
So yeah, I want my wife to be honest. We don't have honesty. in this world.
Open up.
Open up about things.
Yeah.
You know, and be supportive. Like, I mean, all the things I'm saying, I'm gonna do the same thing, but I'm saying that that's what I want in, you know, in a female.
I feel like you should always also need someone who's communicative.
That's
what a lot of relationships these days lack, is
communication is the key. That's right.
Yep.
So if you can't say what's bothering you, or you know, if you can't talk to each other about things, she won't say hi to you. You would think she literally. What happened to you? You see this child. Okay. What's next?
Would you teach someone how to sew?
Oh yeah, I plan on doing that in the future. I plan on having my own brand, and
I know that's right.
So yeah, definitely plan on teaching people how to sew in the future. You know, I'll be sewing school and stuff.
That's what's up. Will you be having a fashion show in the future? Will you be having a fashion show in the future?
The food is getting to you. I will be having a fashion show in the future, definitely. Actually, I'm thinking if coronavirus behaves itself, I might attend more fashion shows this year. But I'll keep you guys updated. I'll let you know. But definitely, I'm actually working on something right now. Something that few people know. And some people on Instagram, they saw some, you know, sneak peeks and stuff. But yeah.
This person actually asked a lot of questions. How has the African community treated you?
Interesting.
Whoa, Jesus.
Coronavirus? The African community, honestly, the African community, have a long way to go. A very long way. When it comes to LGBT, they have a long way to go. Like, I've been to places, events,
whoa!
Damn, that's
Excuse me. It's not the corona, I promise.
It better not.
It's the spice from me.
I've been to like places where Africans are surrounded and they just look at me because of the way I dress, so you can easily tell that I'm gay when you see me. So they just look at me, like the look that they gave me, like if you can like go inside the floor.
I don't think it's the way you dress though, because
it's
there's
not the way I
tomboys that dress like you.
It's not, but they can, you know, some people, the girls, the femmes, they, you know, you can't tell they're gay,
right.
But you wouldn't look at them when you see them because you don't know what they are. But
I think Africans are also not used to that tomboy dressing either.
They're not, and they're very judgmental.
Very.
Even some of the people that claim that they support of LGBT, they have like the internalized homophobia that they don't really talk about, but they have it. Like it's there. Right. And I've been to this church before where I refuse to go back to. Because
we refuse to go back to.
Yeah, because they preached and they talked about gay people.
Yep. And
they literally said they don't want gay people in their church. And I was like a slap in my face because Jesus welcomed everybody in the Bible. And I feel like if I want to be close to God, I don't think anybody has a say to that.
Nope.
Because that's between me and God.
Yep.
And I love God. There's nothing you can do about it. So
yep.
African community, they have a long way to go, but the youths are getting there.
Yeah.
Not the older generation, but you know, it's being crazy dealing with Africans, but you know, once again with the support of my friends and my sister and God, I was like, everything.
Yep. How were you able to get comfortable with your sexuality?
I think when I came out, I became comfortable with my sexuality.
Wow.
I wouldn't say I wasn't comfortable before I came out, but it's just something about coming out and knowing that you can be who you want to be and who you really are without no, you know, being scared of like, or like being.
You gave your confidence.
But my confidence came back because I remember before I came out, like I was outspoken, but I wasn't as outspoken as I am right now. Because I would like draw back. I wouldn't want to say nothing. And then before I came out, the way I dress right now, I never used to dress like that before.
For really? Oh
Like,
yeah.
I never used to dress like that before, and that was because I was trying to hide my sexuality. I didn't want to give them
The hint.
the ink that I was gay.
Right.
But I wasn't really comfortable with the way I was dressing and stuff. But I just had to do it because I didn't want them to know that I was gay.
Right.
So when I came out, and I started dressing the way I wanted to dress and the way I felt, like it just felt complete. The camera went off. We had to use another camera. That's why the angle is different, right? Bear with us.
So, the next one is, who did you confide in first? Who did you tell first?
I told a friend first.
Don't be eating my crawfish.
I don't know why I picked that. I told a friend first about my sexuality. And if you're out there and you know you're not out to your parent yet, and you want to come out to a friend that you really trust, that you know that will love you unconditionally when you tell them. That's what I did. I came out to a friend first. People usually think I came out to Taiwo first because she's my sister. But I didn't.
No.
Yeah. That's
cool.
Yeah.
Are you still friends with that person?
I am friends with the person.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's good.
It got to a point people thought we were dating.
Wow.
Yeah. Because we're friends, like that close, but they thought we were dating.
Is she also?
She's not. She's straight.
How old are you?
Unfortunately, my mom told me not to tell anybody my age. I'm joking. If you follow me on Instagram, you should know how old I am. Like, what?
Exactly.
Like, I post it every time. I'm older now.
Go check her Instagram to find out how old she is.
Go be a stalker on my Instagram.
Yep. Even though you already do it. How are you so talented?
Honestly, that's a question for God.
It's the grace of God, I'm falling.
Hey,
I'm falling.
Honestly, I don't know how I did it. It's not me, it is God, honestly. Because some things that I just do, I don't even know how I did it myself. If people ask me, I'm like, I don't know, I just did it. And people say I make it look easy, but it is God. I'm telling you, it is God. When you put God in everything that you do,
I know that's
everything
right.
will be easy.
Okay, my pastor, Kelly. Dang, sugar mama and pastor at the same time.
The full package.
I know that's right. Another single question. Single, were you born and raised in the U.S.?
I'm not single, like I said before. I'm seeing somebody, I'm talking to somebody. I wasn't born here. I was born in Nigeria. Nigeria for life. You're just smart too.
Oh my style.
You know me, right?
You know that.
I was born in Nigeria, my home in Nigeria. I was born in Nigeria. I came here when I was 17. People don't believe it. They think I was here since I was like 11 or 12 or whatever. I came when I was 17.
I've been here since I was 8 years old.
So you should know how old I am. If I say I came when I was 17 and I've been here for 9 years, do your mind.
She's 42.
So who's a teacher? We need our money back.
Ooh, do you still like me? Do you still like me?
I know who that person is.
Obviously not.
I mean,
Being somebody.
I used to like you,
Oh.
but you took it for granted.
Wow.
I feel like, I don't know if you took it for granted or you just didn't, I don't know. But I used to like you, and right now, I don't want to think of you like that anymore, like liking you.
Wow.
Because I'm friends with you, and I love that friendship. You know who you are. But you were cute though.
Y'all are too explicit with this question. This question is invading privacy or privacies.
Privacies that need to be paid for before it is.
When is the last time that you did the do? Like, y'all so nosy.
Damn!
2 minutes ago. Psych.
Don't make them think of somebody else.
I'm just joking.
Who else is here?
Joking, bro. I'm joking.
I think that's private.
Yeah,
But I would tell you, just because you're nosy.
I already know.
When?
2 weeks ago.
I told you you're stupid, I swear. Don't know you're stalking me, guys. What the? How did you know that?
I'm your sugar baby. I know everything.
So you know what? I don't know what to tell you. It's not your fault.
It's your fault for telling me everything. You're right.
Okay. As from today, I write it down. I'm not telling you nothing again.
Wow. Okay, that's what can be friends.
But I'll be hearing everything from Remy.
I'm not.
Remy will tell you everything.
Come here, Remy. Again, are you currently in a relationship?
No.
No.
But I'm seeing somebody and it's likely it's gonna lead to a relationship. Because this person is a full package.
I know that's right.
But
It's almost the full package.
almost.
The full
Almost the full package. But I'm seeing somebody and she's awesome.
No. If you're watching, you're awesome.
Wink wink.
Wink, wink.
I cannot wait to say my
We like you, girl. You awesome. That was the last question.
Oh, that was that person?
And then the last person said, Wink, wink.
Wait.
Hey,
You know who you are.
You know who you are.
I'm not supposed to be eating this, my braces. But I will not listen.
Sauce all over my white shirt. You
Where
won't
is
eat
it?
tea.
I don't say anything.
Right there on my breast.
I can't
Lick it. Lick it off. You see it? Kenny, you're very silly.
Guys, Togo's harassing me. This is what she does.
She's abusive.
She's trying to, no comments.
What comment? I'm trying to what?
I don't know.
Just don't respect yourself.
Why would you say I should lick it?
You just buy me a new white shirt.
Anyway, guys, that's the end of the question.
Guys, look at this. Get into this.
Anyway, guys.
If you're allergic to seafood, I'm sorry. Okay?
Too bad. If you're a vegan,
I'm sorry.
too bad.
If you're vegetarian, if you're a pescatarian, then enjoy it. Wink, wink.
And I meet somebody like us.
Wink, wink. Yeah, enjoy it. But you can eat vegan crab if they have.
Don't stop. Alright guys, that's the end of the question. It was actually really fun.
Next time,
do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.
give us a huge thumbs up.
Stop.
Give us a huge thumbs up.
If you guys want other videos, if you want me to make any other video
With me.
and you want to ruin it, let me know in the comment section. Let us know what videos you want us to make and we'll make it.
Oh, we should do a session with mommy questions.
Mommy question.
Yes, ask me questions around motherhood.
If you want that, put that in the comment section. We'll make it happen. With that being said, there might be, if you want us to do a part 2 of Q&A.
I thought the video has finished.
Can you see what I'm facing?
What did you say?
If you want a part 2 of this video, go on my Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. It's VICKAAKIN. Tell me what's your Instagram.
_ God Sent Beauty.
Go on my Instagram and send me like a DM and ask me your questions, and we might do a part 2 with enough questions.
Yeah.
If I have a question for Tolu to put that in there. So, deuces. See ya.
Guys, make sure you're staying safe. Wash your hands. Use your mask and stuff. Please, we're trying to get this country back open, so let's all take the right precautions, okay?
You really sound serious.
Stay safe, please.
Stay 6 feet apart. We're not 6 feet
Please.
apart, but you get the gist.
Please wash your hands, hand sanitizer, mask, gloves. Please, guys, please stay safe.
If you can't wait for outside to open back up, leave a comment in the comment section.
For real.
Let's go a party after this thing goes.
What? My house
Back
is
to the
the
list.
house.
We're doing a party.
Period, poo. Ain't that right, Remy?